Here we have the beautiful sequins bags again that we've just tried on. Look at this. How stunning, especially with the flowers here. So I just walked out and I saw they do have it. I always want a shearling bag, guys, but I don't know if I should go for one. I'm really tempted always by the Bottega ones as well. And it actually looks like a pink. And a quick look at colorful Chanel. Welcome back to my channel. So it's a very grey day today. Let's go to Selfridges. Let's hope it's not gonna start raining. Okay guys, so why are we here today? Because it is the 25th anniversary of the Fendi Baguette. So I was invited by Fendi SA to have a look at the special pieces. I don't know which ones they have here. It's gonna be very exciting. So I would say let's just go and have a look. I thought let me give you a quick little OOTD. So I got this beautiful green velvet dress on that I recently got, and of course I needed to choose a Fendi bag, and which bag is better to choose than a Peekaboo? So I absolutely love this one. It's the Peekaboo ICU in the lace with the little PVC bits and of course floral patterns. So yeah guys, this is my outfit for today. Let's go! Can we believe this? I just came in, they actually have the classic black cat box bag, the Lanvin bag. I mean, if you have seen my recent unboxing video, you know what I got. If you haven't, go and check it out. Okay, I needed to show you this as well. Look at this little cat bag with the crystals, and there's a bracelet as well, and a teeny tiny little Lanvin hobo bag. But this is gorgeous, right? And by the way guys, you can actually use my Farfetch code and get discounts on the Lanvin bags as well. Sneak into Hermes, what have they on display? Oh, they still have my Raisin Birkin. Oh god, guys, you know that would be my absolute dream bag. Yeah guys, here I can show you my dress again quickly. I absolutely love this velvet dress. Asha was so kind to already show me one of the special bags, and can you see the color, the sequins? I never had a close-up look at these. I thought the sequins were all the same, to be honest, but they're all different. Can you see? It's like squares, circles, rectangles. Okay, hello. Well, that pops really well against my dress. Oh, but it looks stunning in real life, guys. And oh, can you see the reflection even on my arm? Wow, this is a special piece, isn't it? I mean, would I ever get a Baguette bag? Obviously, it's very Sex and the City. I think I would need to find the right one as well. But how gorgeous is this? Can you see the little glitter there on the clasp? And she's just shown me this one as well. I honestly feel like a Christmas tinsel today with all these bags. And again, see the reflection on my arm? Wow, okay, which one do you prefer? I think we have a green one and a pink one as well. And let me show you a little close-up shot of these. That's what I mean. Can you see the glitter? How gorgeous is this? So that's the turquoise one. And then we have the red one here. I never really liked red, but this one is really like mesmerizing. And of course we have got my little Peekaboo. This is the green one, just so that we can get an idea as well of the color. The colors are stunning. Like, I am very surprised, to be honest. I really love the colors. And there we have the pink beige kind of shoes and the matching green one. Here she is. I think this is the nicest color, and she just found this one. And can we see that? Like, nobody has ever touched this before. It still has the sticker on the hardware. I'm really impressed that the sequins are all different. Like, I had no clue, to be honest. This is the smaller size, so here we can see that. That's the regular Baguette size. That's like a mini size. How cute is this? This is a little cutie. Okay, maybe this would rather be something I consider than a regular sized baguette. Wow, I'm just mesmerized. I mean, you guys, if you have seen my recent unboxings, you know that I'm all for the glittery, sparkly things at the moment. I just wonder how it's gonna wear. You know, if you have sequins at the back. And I think it comes with a strap, so if it rubs against your body, if any of you have this bag, let me know how it wears. Have you ever lost any sequins? You know, I don't have any experience with Fendi sequins bags, but guys, how cute is this, right? This is a perfect like little going out bag. Just notice this detail now. Can we see that? Oh, the little beads there. All around the bag. That is a really gorgeous detail. Quickly, this is how the bag looks like with the strap. It's quite a long strap. It's not adjustable, but I guess it's really good to wear crossbody then. So this is how the bag looks like with the strap. But I guess, guys, you could just attach any strap, obviously. Okay, let's look at the very special pieces. Hey guys, so here we are. Let's look at some of the 25th anniversary pieces. These are the special bags. Oh wow. Okay, I hope they have the one with all the little mirrors. The one that Dayle's Addiction actually has. I'm gonna put a picture up and you know which bag I'm talking about. I would love to see that one in reality as well. And here we have the beautiful sequins bags again that we've just tried on. Oh, that is the pink one in the regular size. I really like the small size better. I can already tell you that. Oh, and this one is still stunning, right? I don't like red, but I love this one. And some more eye candy. Look at these tiny little ones. Oh my god, this is lizard and lots of beads. Look at these satin beauties as well. Gorgeous. And here we have, oh wow, this is a darker pink shade. A mini Fendi Baguette. What do we think about all these tiny mini bags? I mean, I have one of these from Bulgari, like it's a mini serpenti cabochon, but I barely ever use it. Okay guys, so this one would be available. I love it. What are the stones? Is it special stones? I think it looks gorgeous, lots of beads. I just wonder what the stones are, if it's actual gemstones. Oh, they are, okay. It's real gemstones, guys. It's kind of a very Tiffany, sorry. It's kind of a very Tiffany blue, isn't it? Do we love it? This is another one. Oh wow, okay guys, I just spotted this one. I love it, I try it in a second. This is the other one that's from the 25th anniversary that's available. What do we think? Okay, this one I love. What do we think? Is it fox fur?
Upcycled. Yes.
Upcycled. Yes. Oh, it's upcycled fox fur. That's what we like to hear, right? So recycled fur is the way to go. Bulgari is gonna do that with the next collection as well. I really like this one. And it feels so nice, and this color is so me as well. Oh, look at this. How stunning, especially with the flowers here. They have a Himalayan Fendi Peekaboo. Love these shoes. Maybe I should try a pair of Fendi shoes once. Ta-ta-ta. Lots of exotics. Here we have a white ostrich. Wow, what a beautiful room, right? There we have another Himalayan. Gorgeous. Wow, okay, so look at this handle, look at this clasp. Gorgeous brown color. Yeah. Can't take my eyes off this one. So I just walked out and I saw they do have it. I have to go back in and ask. This is the first time I see it in reality, and yeah, Dayle, it's the nicest bag of all. I can tell you that. So gorgeous. Okay, let's have a look at these. Wow, I'm sure they probably won't take them off the display. That's why she said it's not available. But this is nice, and this one is gorgeous. I would actually be able to buy this if I put a deposit down. That's what she said. So, and it's £4,700 for anyone who's wondering. I really love this one too, but like I said, I think this is the nicest bag from the 25th anniversary collection. I know we looked at this one last time, but this is what I mean. Such a big leather bag, and I think it will lose its shape very quickly, and this is just a display bag. Not for me. Look at this little shearling bag. YSL, really, really cute. I love all the autumny bags, however you guys know it. I love to buy bags that I can wear all year round. Like, I love them. I kind of want this teddy bear, but I'm gonna tell myself no, because it's not like an all year round bag. But the colors are gorgeous. Oh my god, look at this little Wild Wild West bag. Stunning, stunning. Yeah, I always want a shearling bag, guys, but I don't know if I should go for one. I'm really tempted always by the Bottega ones as well. Just walked past this. This is really gorgeous. Oh, okay, the last one. What is the bag called again?
Sorry?
What is the bag called again?
This one is
yeah.
the Jackie.
The Jackie, genau, exactly. It's a reissue, right?
Yes.
Oh, it's gorgeous with the little sparkles. What do we think? I love this little Jackie. There we can see it. Oh god, I'm really drawn to everything with crystals at the moment. I wish this would come in like the bigger size version, the original Jackie. I mean, this bag is a reissue. But, is it cute? It got this little, chain there as well. I love Gucci chains. They are so intricate. Anything else at Gucci? These are just the classic Dionysus bags, Marmons. I like this jacket. Valentino pink, guys. Wow. The color is stunning. Would I wear this coat? For sure. More gorgeous pieces. Love, 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 love. Look at these Balenciaga graffiti bags. Actually, I never really liked Balenciaga bags, but I love the graffiti for whatever reason. It's like not really my style, like at all. But they're cool, right? Guys, the infamous Louis Vuitton paint cans. Here we have them all. The orange, the purple, the green, turquoise. Aye. Shall we go look at one? Look at this plastic backpack, guys. PVC. I mean, I got my PVC bag right here. Come out like a while ago. Can't believe they still have them. Because I thought, you know, they're collector's pieces. They're probably gonna get snapped up pretty quickly. Hi guys. Look at this. That's a little PVC soft trunk.
Let's say it's not the most popular item.
Okay, but it's like a collector's piece, obviously,
it's
right?
beautiful. It's like a collector's piece, but let's say you need to like it.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
Exactly. Oh my god. Okay,
Also
this.
because you don't really use it much, you probably use it a couple of times
Yeah.
for like an event or
Exactly.
you know, like for display.
Beautiful with the purple microfiber.
Yes,
Guys, this is so cool. It's like a magnetic closure, right? Yeah.
Yes,
Oh, and it's pretty lightweight, to be honest.
it is. It's made of canvas and
Yeah.
inside I think they made a like a structure to hold it, but with
Very
I'm not sure
interesting.
which-
Yeah, I think you would wear it without the strap. Then it actually looks
that's
like
the
a
whole
paint
point,
can.
otherwise it doesn't look like something.
Exactly. Oh guys, look at this. So I like it. I would have not thought it. It's light like a feather, to be honest. It really is light like a feather. What do we think? It's canvas. So what does it say? Warning, handle with care. I mean, you know, Balenciaga is trolling us all the time, right? And I feel like this is Louis Vuitton's answer to giving us a little laugh. This is the bag with the strap. The strap is long, like really, really long. Yeah, I wouldn't wear it with the strap. Oh guys, look at this one quickly. This is new with the matte gold handle. This is the turquoise version of the bag. And the handle is gorgeous. I wish the hardware would be entirely like this matte gold material as well, then it would pop more, but it's a little bit more understated like this, right? What do we think? I'm just a sucker for capucines with special handles. I mean, we know that, right? And it's quite a heavy handle. It feels very substantial and luxurious. Here's the black one, and yes, this is real gold. Can we see that? The handle, how gorgeous was this? And obviously the LV pops more than as well. I was asking her if this is like black onyx, but she said it's just enamel. But the handle, wow. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, I love the black one, but I mean, I recently got a black capucine with a tortoiseshell handle, right? So, no for this one. And a quick look at colorful Chanel. So, you guys know I'm not buying anything new from the boutique at the moment until they're addressing their issues, but it's not stopping us from enjoying the eye candy, right? Wow, look at these boots. Yeah. They come in handy for the upcoming winter season. Oh, you have the CC sign there underneath the little vanity case. And the pink tweed. I'm still so sad that I wasn't able to see the pink Chanel 22 in tweed. In exactly this tweed. This is the same material they make the bag in. So sad that I wasn't able to see it yet in person. Because I actually think the tweed bags might wear better than the leather bags. Oh, this is a gorgeous beauty too, right? And we love these velvet bags. Such a subtle, smooth, beautiful color. This gorgeous pearl bag. but guys, they are so expensive. And a tiny little patent bag. The bees, guys, and they have this little Chanel tweed bag in the window display. I wish I could go to the US to Sotheby's in New York. They always have like so many beautiful Birkins there. This beautiful tweed boy bag as well. But it doesn't seem like they have Birkins. I just wanted to have a quick look if they have anything new here. Hi. At what goes around comes around, but it seems like it's all the same bags we've seen recently. Yep, nothing really new, unfortunately. So how about this Birkin for Jacob? I feel like that should fulfill his Kate Blanchett Birkin dream. So these are the MS bags they have at the moment. Okay guys, now I need a coffee. Well, hello Life Elixir. And now the sun is actually still coming out. What a gorgeous evening. Guys, so that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I think we saw a lot of Fendi eye candy. I got my little coffee now. I'm gonna have dinner now with my husband and then we're gonna go watch Totoro in the Barbican. I'm really excited for this. I was waiting for months. Oh, can I still run across the street? Okay guys, maybe I should stop. London. So yeah, if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here because we all do have the same luxury disease. Yes, we do. Let me know which bag was your favorite. Which one would you have picked? I honestly think Dayle picked such a gorgeous bag. I was actually thinking about it as well, even though I'm like, no, I don't need a baguette. I don't need one. But that one is gorgeous with all the little mirrors. Okay guys, yeah, I see you again very soon. Bye! And I can never get enough of London at night, or London in general. Look at this, this is St. Paul's Cathedral. Beautiful. So, what are we doing tonight?
Totoro at the Barbican.
Totoro at the Barbican, but first, some lobster. We've been waiting for a couple months, huh? For this night. There we are, guys. Totoro.